Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to Ibadan city in Nigeria, and we're going to take a walk around the city of Ibadan, especially Ring Road of Ibadan, how the place is well lit, the lighting up of Ibadan in order to keep the city safe. Well, there's need to give credit to the governor of Oyo State, Engineer Seyi Makinde, for engineering and also executing some projects, especially road networks and other. But in this video, we're going to go and see how the governor tries to keep the city safe, both for residents and for the people of Nigeria. Well, this is one of the highly commercialized areas of Ibadan, at this Ring Road, where a lot of night parties, or what do you call clubs and other things takes place, and also in the daytime you have businesses, financial services, distribution services, motoring, as well as all forms of business services goes on at Ring Road of Ibadan. This is the night time, and this part of Ring Road here actually is towards let's start the journey anyway from 1110 to Challenge. Now we are taking the walk towards Mobile. Here is Mobile, and the road is also well lit. On the right hand side, before you reach Mobile, is the Shoprite store. The Shoprite store is actually where you can see so many shops as well, where a lot of people flock into that place to actually make purchases, for shopping and all the rest in that very big, and it's actually the biggest Shoprite, or call it the biggest shopping mall ever in Nigeria so far. Talking about the landmass of that shopping mall and the structure of the shopping mall. So we're going to go into that as well, and also we take a look at other places that is well lit around Ibadan, like pasture room, from the end of the pasture room towards gate. It's well lit, and at night this is how they all look so beautiful. But let's go into the Shoprite quickly and take a walk around this beautiful place. Even at night it's well flourishing, a lot of people, and business is also going on there. Here we go. Phone with you off. Oh, sorry. Bye.